I've made thousands of dollars vibe coding, building real AI tools for clients without writing one single line of code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did that in 3 different ways, and I'll show you exactly how you can too. So I started vibe coding about 8 months ago. I don't know any code, but I love software and I love finding solutions for people, for businesses, for clients. And when I discovered vibe coding, it blew my mind how quickly you can build an app, a software, a SaaS. And I wanted to experiment. So I dove headfirst, built as many projects as possible, and just showed them off and attracted clients in a few different ways. The first way I'm going to show you, let's dive into it. I actually built a SaaS, a software as a service, for insurance agents. So I have a buddy who owns an insurance agency, and his agents need a couple internal tools. And I highly recommend that, by the way. Think of it and think of companies and people that you know that need internal tools, things that would help them in their business, and find a niche, however you want to say it, that needs different software tools. So the one I found was insurance agents. And let me show you a little bit how this works. So I created a full-on payment wall. So he's actually going to be selling this to his agency and other agencies. So there's a payment wall. It's called insurancesalesgenie.ai. And there's an authentication. So I set all this up where you log in, and what it has is different features like an AI chat. Any of you guys can build an AI chat. Very, very simple. It's got an intake form, which I am launching very soon and almost done with, which will spit out the exact insurance policies that would be best for the client. And then I have a sales call analyzer. So after the agents do their sales call, it'll analyze the call and give them direct feedback, good things they did, things they could have done differently, questions they could have asked. And I built this all with Temple Labs, which is a AI platform builder. I don't use it as much anymore. I like Bolt now. I use that one a lot more, but I built it originally with that. And I used OpenAI and N8N for some backend automations. And right now I can show you some receipts. Took a screenshot. There's people paying $37 a month or more if they've got it multiple months. And there's people actually paying for this software. The second way I'm making money vibe coding is providing a custom solution for a med spa. So right here, I built this for my own agency, Effortless AI. It is basically a quiz funnel, lead gen, that kind of thing. And every business needs leads. They need people coming in, and they need people getting value and putting their contact information in, right? So I built this for my own business. I showed this to a med spa. Now they want it for their business, and they are willing to pay for it. So I have a payment. I just received a $2,500 for this AI quiz. Let me show you a little bit about how this quiz works. So you basically start your audit, put your business name, and select your industry. And basically, it's going to ask a series of questions that help me learn a lot about my client, but also help the client get an automated report at the end that is valuable for them. It suggests different AI automations for their business. So I showed her this. She loved it. Now she wants it for her business, and she's already paid me for it. So I'm in the process of building that. So that's the second way I've earned money. And that's more of a one-off way, but also you can have retainers and different things like that if you want to have continued residual income with some of these clients you get. The third way is actually doing one-on-one sessions. So if you haven't already, I have itlworkshop.com. This is about free software that I vibe coded for anyone that is a subscriber of mine. You can come in here and it'll help elaborate your idea and expand it and basically take it, enhance it, and make the best initial prompt and a few other bells and whistles. But I'm doing one-on-one sessions. So if you come here, you say book a call with Zach. It's going to take you to a page here where you can find a time. I've already worked with 3 different clients, some of them multiple times, and we jump in. I go into their account. They share their screen really, and let's say they're using Bolt or a different IDE. And I just walk them through how to use it, different prompts to use, and help them bring their ideas to life. This is my favorite way to make money vibe coding because I get to watch their ideas come to life, and it's exciting because these apps are powerful, they work, they're AI powered, and I get to basically share my brain with you for an hour. So if any of you guys watching are interested in that, 100% game to do an AI jam session with you for 1 hour or more. Just book a time in here, and I'll leave a link in the description below. So those are 3 different ways that I'm personally making money with vibe coding. I'm just getting started. I am creating a lot of cool other projects in the back end, other SaaS companies, other cool internal tools for businesses that are super powerful, super valuable. And I just want to give you guys some ideas, open your mind a little bit of what's possible. Again, I don't know how to code, never coded in my life, but I'm building software, and I want you guys to be able to do that too and get paid for it. There's a high demand, and if you like the kind of content I'm putting out, you like making money, and you like building software, then 100% subscribe down below, comment if you had any value from this, if you're impressed by this, if you want to do the same thing, if you have any questions at all of what I use, what tools, what strategies. I'm not gatekeeping. I'll share anything I can with you guys. So go ahead and comment down below.